What's up, y'all? Today's episode, we're gonna be following the crowd, just throw flipping gang signs. So, wanna be in my vlog?
Yo, what's happening over there is really awky.
That's what we're about to film. Oh my goodness, the whole squad's here. Ball coach. We just did an oil change, didn't get any clips of it. This kid took my shoe, like twice? Had to pull me out once. It was funny though. It was yeah, so now we got this going. This kid taught me how to do an oil change, pretty much. What's up, y'all? We're currently at the beach. Frick? Alright, don't start up yet. And that's not freaking Johnny Walker.
Our arms are gonna be so tired after this.
Working! No! No, drift! There you go. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! What's up, Vlog Squad? We're currently in the French room. So they're gonna get in trouble, and I'm not. So we're pretty much chilling in the back rooms. Because it's from Costco. What? It smells. It smells like soap. What's up, Vlog Squad? We're currently looking for Connor's speaker. This is part. We're gonna find it, dude. We're gonna find it. Frick. So we're gonna find it. We're currently gonna go check the range. Just. Oh.
I don't want to say you're okay, but I want. But Ryan, if you were 50 years old, his name would be Brian. Yeah.
I don't think my name changes, but okay. Go around again. You gotta use different words though. Hey. Bro, I wish they had moves like that. Oh, you are breeding. You're beating. He's beating. Let's get a fit check. Can we get a fit check?
Let's start with the pants. Japanese. Hey, get closer.
Sorry. That's not. Dude, I'm wearing Japanese denim.
Proof.
Oh, it's Japanese denim.
Oh yeah. Right. See, it's a rising star.
Holy blown out speakers. Is this Ken Carson?
I think it is.
On Monday? Yes, when? Monday, 16. Oh, okay. Use your QR code to sign up.
Remember?
Who's it for?
I don't know. Bro, it's for me, freaking obviously. No, I think it's for Mr. Deakins.
Oh, yeah.
But we're getting bad shot right now.
You are my fire, the one desire, believe.
Kill my wife.
I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. That's the blue.
Snaps for that. I'll give that snap. All right, y'all. We're currently sitting in the PT Cruiser and auto shop. So yeah.